destruction due to corruption. Flaming function, not my assumption. Why ain't construction? Though many reluctant until families hit families. As curses rushing, 6 men sensation. No cure for a patient, loss of patience. Covered in shame, mirror can't face it. Even in rain, you're burning with hatred. I send born pain and pestilence. The residents show negligence toward YH Law. The outcome is this. You can't run this fix. I just conspire to hit, cause your pleasures and desires led you in the midst. To seek the house with pit, don't resist. These your skin cells, big and clean as pig nails. And you know not success, but continue to fail. But your soul won't live, it's your road from hell. And this is just my one-on-one. And this is just my one-on-one, my outlook on it all. This is just my one-on-one, my outlook, the world and its flaws. Marching in the battle with my sword and spiritual vest. When death come upon my flesh, hope my soul is left. Gave my life to Yahweh, hope my soul is left. Marching in the battle with my sword and spiritual vest. Envious, murderous, slanderous, scandalous. They backbite us with prohibited lust. Confuse my reprobate outside YH line, seeking to orchestrate the death of mankind. They bow down to G.O.Ds, meditate and pray to these called images, definite wickedness. Don't be a victim, ask him for wisdom. What's done in secret shall be exposed in speeches. FYI to the false prophets and preachers, hoping to lead us, only the deceivers. Blessings come from the Most High, that He releases slaves, the men of Satan, and all world leaders. But I'm still a believer, His promises never broken as the heart's cast frozen long ago in the past. He led Moses to write all He commands while we dwell in His land. Marching in the battle with my sword and spiritual vest. When death come upon my flesh, hope my soul is left. Gave my life to Him. Pray that I be blessed as we seek Him. Hope in the kingdom's next. And this is just my one-on-one. And this is just my one-on-one. I gotta give it to your raw, deep scripture from the earth aspect. His dudes is lost and they had the last breath, bullets blast. What's left? True hero.